Hi, to fix Wi-Fi issues on your POCO F6, we will need to go in the settings first and make sure that in the additional settings, date time is set automatically. For that, let's go in these additional settings, then select date and time and make sure that set time automatically is enabled and set time zone automatically is enabled as well. Now, after that, we will need to go in this Wi-Fi section and here just basically turn it off, then just in a couple of seconds turn it on again, and if it didn't help, then go in your network and here select this option to forget it. After that, you will need to reconnect it again, and if it didn't help as well, we can reset network settings. For that, go in the more connectivity options right here. After that, select the Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Networks and Bluetooth tab. And here on the bottom of the page, select this icon Reset Settings. Here you will need to enter your phone's PIN code. And after that, confirm that you are resetting your network settings. Just tap the OK button and now they have been reset. So I hope this advice has helped and thank you for watching.